triangle A overlaps square B as shown in the figure below, the ratio of the area of triangle A to the area of the shaded portion of triangle A to the area of square B is 7:2:5. So let's quickly see where are these areas. Okay, so triangle A will be this brown color here, and that will give us 7 units in area. Okay, and then we also have the shaded portion, which is this bluish part here. Okay, that will take on 2 units in area. And then we have the square in purple here. That will take on 5 units in area. Now, the area of the triangle A is 329 square meters. Find the area of the unshaded portion of square B, which means this particular yellowish section here. What is the area? Alright. Now, what we can do to solve this question is to first put 7 units equals to 329 square cm. 329 square meters. Okay, not square cm, square meters now. And then we find 1 unit. 329 divided by 7. That will be 47 square meters. Alright, so the unshaded part again is the yellow part here. Okay, be careful, you need to take 5 units minus 2 units, because you need to take away this shaded part first. So 5 minus 2, there will be 3 units. Okay, and 3 units is something we need to find. 47 times 3. 141 square meters. Final answer for this question.